In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Now you can click on Vibration right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down, tap on Phone Ringtone, and select Vibration section at the top. You can do that for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Now apply the best vibration pattern for you by clicking on one of the available ones, like swing. When you're ready, tap on the back button and do exactly the same for your messages and notifications. Lastly, scroll all the way down, tap on More Settings, and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable incoming calls, no vibrations, Then click on this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!